Now I got this ribbon thing maker. And now hopefully I can put it in here. I am right-handed, so Oop. Getting a start is the hardest part. There we go. Close it. Now I just gently make sure it's straight, not putting too much tension on it. Oh, wrong way. Would actually be able to use something like this cloth. And I must help it the first part, because it's still stuck. Oh, no, it comes off. If this is not straight, then your ribbon will also flop all over the place. Now the part that I am not sure if it even works. It's the first time, so I probably open those up, I think. I mean, I've never done it, so then I guess I put one side in. Like this. Well, it's out of frame, but there. This is new for me as well, so I don't know, maybe it doesn't work. Probably will be in the way with my hands. And probably make sure there is enough stick out so I can pull on it. Just an idea. So I guess I align it later on. Usually they do it with some weights, I believe. Yeah. What size is this? That's too big. Of course I need the one that is not around here. I'm not sure where it is. Green? Maybe it's green. Yeah. Okay. It's hard to say what the amount of tension should be because it's laying flat. So normally I think you would do this like vertically. So I need something to get that. Where can I pick it up with? need some plastic tooling for this kind of stuff and not stainless that is still like magnetic, which is not. There are forms that are not that magnetic, but I think these are not magnetic at all. Stainless. Well, a little bit. Well, I need some tension at least. Might be too much already. How am I? Okay. Doesn't look bad so far. Still rubbing here a little bit. Next time I'll tape off the end so you got something to grab onto. Yeah. So far, so good. There's something in the way. I wanted to have sit straight. No, not gonna happen. I think we're still in the middle. You can see I didn't cut the ribbon perfectly. This side is a little bit wider. It's not much, but screw this one down. By the looks of it, I was afraid that the supports were a little bit too high, but I see it's not really that high. It could be even a little bit more, a little bit higher even. Well, okay. Let's see what it measures. Is it stuck on the... I wonder if it's stuck. It looks a bit like it's sitting against the... Fuck. Against the dampening. Because there's no... hardly no movement. It should. I cannot see, but maybe you can. So if I blow, do we see movement? I don't know. Well, anyhow, so far so good. I might have used too much dampening, and now it looks like the ribbon is sort of stuck against the dampening. Not cool, but let's see what kind of 0 point something ohm resistance we get. 0.4, 0.5. It's perfectly fine for an amplifier. Not really, of course, but... Well, I'm gonna have a listen. See ya!